In this video, guys, I will show you how to use Hypernatural AI. So, guys, this is a AI platform. You can generate through this platform a video with simple clicks and short videos. Just click sign up from here and click your username. For example, this is my name. After that, when you click your username, guys, click continue and then choose creations, and from here click maybe later if you have a premium. So guys, this is the as you can see, website. You can make a video. You can just upload your prompts from here. You can add style for your video from here, 3D animation or anime or any like this one, and you have a length, shorts or classic. And for example, shorts, you can add, for example, narrated audio or a narrated video or voiceover. You can add voiceover from here, and you can choose aspect ratios from here. And then you can use also popular templates like this, 3D animations, photographic, classic, or anime or anything from here. And you can use all character here. This is the character. So guys, this is the platform you can use. You have 100 credits from here. You can explore also from here. This is the popular communications, or for example, this you can use this template for video. Just click use and you can add describe your video from here. It is easy to use, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.